So you have this shower head. This is a ball joint shower head. So if you remove the shower head, then this ball joint will also be able to remove. The filter will fit only after removing this ball. The filter will fit here. This is the shower head. This doesn't have the ball joint. It will directly remove from the shower arm. The filter will fit here. The filter will always fit at the shower arm. Put Teflon tape around the shower arm. Put this silicone ring which you have with your filter inside the filter. Now put the filter around the shower arm. Put Teflon tape around the shower filter. Put the silicone ring inside the shower head and put the shower head around the shower filter. Tighten the filter so that there is no leakage.